Struggling to track multiple real estate projects and property data? A visual property portfolio map can simplify monitoring and presentations, organize everything clearly with MAPOG. Start by opening story.mapog.com and creating a new map using the category template. Add a clear title and a short description, then click Create to save the map. Next, upload your company logo by clicking Replace. Adding branding keeps project maps professional. Now configure the action button in Map Settings. Add your website link and phone number so viewers can instantly open your website or contact your team directly from the map interface. Open Process Custom Locations and select Add Manually. Select Custom Location Template Settings and create a new template by clicking Add More Custom Location Template. Give the template a name, choose a color, and set the geometry type to polygon to draw realistic building footprints. Next, add structured attributes such as property name, project stage, property type, and price range. Choose field types like text, select, multi-select, or number to create a custom template that keeps property entries consistent. You can also enable Show for contributors so contributors can view and fill these fields while adding locations. After saving the template, select it from the drop-down. Then use the search tool to locate the project area or use latitude and longitude from the toolbar for precise positioning. Use the polygon tool to draw the building boundary by clicking Add Point around the building footprint. Once all points are placed, click Confirm to create the property geometry. To improve visualization, click the Edit icon to open Style Customization. Set the building color and adjust the height to represent the structure in 3D. You can also modify zoom, rotation, and pitch to control the viewing perspective. Next, enter the project details such as property name, project stage, property type, floor plan, and other attributes, and upload images to provide a visual preview of the property. Save the location so users can view interactive pop-ups with property information when clicking the building. Repeat the same process for additional projects. Adjust rotation and pitch for each building to ensure the best viewing angle for your portfolio. To organize properties visually, open Group by Attributes. You can group buildings by property name, project stage, property type, or price range, making it easier to compare projects across the map. To narrow down property results, use the Filters option based on attributes like project stage, property type, or price range. Select and apply the required filter fields so users can refine the map results and quickly find relevant properties. To find nearby options quickly, use Sort Distance to organize properties based on how far they are from a selected location. Choose the reference point, and the system arranges properties from nearest to farthest, making it easier to identify the closest options. You can also customize how locations appear by adjusting the custom location view. Editing zoom, rotate, and pitch individually helps highlight each building clearly and improves the 3D viewing experience. For a consistent perspective across all locations, adjust zoom, rotate, and pitch in Map Settings, B-Box Settings to control the overall map view. Finally, click Preview and Share to publish your property portfolio map. Change visibility from private to public, then generate a shareable or embeddable link so stakeholders, investors, or clients can explore your projects interactively. Use Plus Add users to include existing users or create new ones by selecting Add members. You can then invite them to view or edit the map. With MAPOG, real estate portfolios become visual, structured, and easy to explore, helping teams present projects clearly and make faster property decisions. For assistance with property mapping, custom location templates, or portfolio visualization, reach out anytime at support@mapog.com.